Well, hello you beauts, we are back out on the Rochdale Canal. I've got my big magnet, the G120, and this backdrop you're probably familiar with is where I found my old gun part. So I thought, do you know what, I'm walking past it, let's just give it a tickle. If there's nothing there, we'll just move up and down. You know the dance by now. We'll just move up and down, we'll pick a spot, there's no plan. But we're just going to see what we can find. Whatever we can pull out, I'll show you at the end. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for subscribing. If you've been there from the beginning, you know, this is all for you guys. Everything that I do is for you. So thank you very much, and let's see what we can get out of this place. Right, you beauts, while I'm setting up on the area here, before I start chucking in, please show some love to the people that are on the screen, and these are the shout outs that I want you to go visit, whether it be TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or whatever social platform they've got. Please show some love, get subscribing and get watching. Right, so here we go. Like I say, we've done this place before. People have done this place. Usual dance. It's not magnet fishing unless you try. Even if people have been there a million times. And if you're new to magnet fishing, you don't have to start off with one of these big behemoth magnets. You can start off with whatever you want to. It's your preference. Whatever you feel comfortable with. Don't go with the crowd and get what they're going for. You pick which one you want, whatever's comfortable for you. And if anybody needs anything, you know my code's always there for you to use. That's the sole purpose of it, for you guys to use. Right. And everything that I make on my code, I always put it back into the channel, as in do giveaways, so it's a winner-winner. That's as far as we're chucking it today. Right. We'll start off where that is there. Yeah. I don't know if we're going to find anything today. This is a heavier magnet compared to my others, so I'm not sure if we're going to find anything. I'd love to find, you know, another piece of the gun parts that I found before, but if we don't, we don't. We've got two bags there, one for crap and one for treats. Right, first one. Yet again, we're back where we find loads of rubbish, so that goes straight into that one. That could be the rubbish bag, the other one could be the treat one. Like I said, I'm not expecting to find anything, because we've pretty much done this spot, but I'm still curious. If not, there's 33 miles of this Rochdale Canal, you know. We've got so much to choose from. So many places to go. So many places where people have already done, including myself and the Patriots, but we'll just still hitting them. We'll just hit everywhere again. We'll just keep doing it over and over and over until we get this canal sorted. What we got here? These little vent things I have found before, so I don't really know what they're off, but anyway, we found something. Have a closer look at home. Long nail. Small little, I don't know what that is. What we got here? Oh, we got a little key. Hello. Can we show some love and appreciation as well for Mr. Rob Heathcock, who actually invented dippers and scrappers, which is worldwide now, I believe, Rob, and all the time and patience he's put in to actually advertise scrap people from obviously Britain, America, etc. You know, let's show some appreciation to him. Done it for his own bike, or off his own back, sorry, don't make nothing from it, just spreads the love. So let's show some love back. What's this? Some sort of banding on there. We'll unravel that and have a look at it. Probably something off wood. Right, what's this here? Hey. Some wheels off something. Interesting. Bonkers. Interesting. I can see a sneaky penny. Sneaky penny. We will have that. A sneaky magnetic rock. Oh, what's this? I don't know what that is. Oh, that little round ball, so we'll have a look. Yes, what we got here? I don't know what that's off. But that looks to be brass. Yeah, nice. Bit of an aerosol lid. Magnetic rock. And that's it. We have a Budweiser and bits of scrap. Another sneaky penny. Another sneaky penny. Nail. Don't know what that is. Bit of rubbish. Yeah. And a nut. Another penny. Little fishing lure. Right, what's this? I don't know what that is. Right, what's this? Bit of metal and a bag. Ooh. And one of them. Right, what's this? What is that off? Wheelchair? Morning. Right, we have a bolt and a nut. Right, you beauts. There's the bridge that I did in my last videos, and this is our new canvas. This is our new. I've never been here before, so we've just moved down a bit. And if I spin you around, people that know this area know there used to be like a little cut through. All this used to be open, and people used to be able to, I think there was a little car park there, and people used to be able to just walk up here. Obviously it's all fenced off now, so this is where we're going to be doing here. I'm not sure if we'll find anything, but I'll tell you what, we're going to give it a try, aren't we? And hopefully we'll see some kingfishers, because kingfishers come along here as well. That'll be a bonus. First chuck. I have this part of a ratchet set. And that's it, I think. We have that, and a bit of a, whoops, a bit of an aerial. Right, what we got here? We have that piece of metal. What's this? Oh man, what is this? There's a lot on here. What is that? cog thing. Oh God. This clip. I'm not going to get that off. There's that and that. Whew. Cogs. Wow, I was getting that spot again. Jeez. Right, we got something else. We got that which goes in there. Let's keep that together. And that. And smeg. Just slip in. Oh, wow. That's a big cog. Okie dokie. Let's get this off. If we can. Oh, jeez. Look at that. Love it. And we have that little rudder thing. Snag. Something or things. Let's get that washed. Oh, wow. This metal bar that can go in. This I think it's some sort of conduit thing for electricity. Cool. Get that baby in there. What is that? That's one big horseshoe, isn't it? No, it's not. Oh, that's got some writing on there. What else have we got? Another little cog, magnetic rock, and scrap. Whatever that is, and bolt. Right, we got some roller wheels. Got one of them. Oh, 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 oh. Sony Ericsson phone. A bit of rubber with a bit of metal in it. Oh, what's this? Whatever that is. Whatever that is. Whatever that is. Right, time's getting on, so this is going to be my last chuck, but we're definitely hitting this spot again, aren't we, my friends? Ugh. That was an absolute rubbish chuck, so that weren't my last chuck. I'm going to have another one for that. So this is not our last chuck. It's not our last chuck. We have a battery, sneaky 2p, whatever they are, and then rubbish. Oh, wait a minute, yeah, that bit, sorry. Right, this is our last chuck without standing on the ropes. Right, last chuck, reveal yourself. Well, whatever it is, it's hidden. Right, what is it? It is a that. Whatever that is for, that is our last chuck. Right, that was already full. That's getting full. Let's get home and get some cleaning done. Right, I mentioned that I saw like a CD case and like a toolbox, so I'm just going to keep this rolling now because we're coming up to the part, well, where the CD case is. I'll show you. CD case is right there. So what I'm going to do is jump over, drag my cart over and go for a little scan around here and go that way and have a look at that toolbox. And it's empty. Look at all them little babies in there. Anyway, we'll get rid of it. Someone's bag, some stuff in it. Nothing in it. Shower rooms, medical set. Right, I just I just don't know where to start with all this. Look at all this we've got to get through. Look at that. I'm going to start right at the back. Right. This big thing here is a big cog or a wheel of something. Does look to be broke there. Little holes all the way around it. And obviously the cog part there. So that is one big hefty piece. Put that over there for now. Sink out the other one. These bits that I'm showing you now was in the second place that we went. I think I found something like this before. Had like a bit of a handle on. So maybe that's, I don't know what they're off, to tell you the truth. That's why I need your help, you beauts. What else have we got? This were in the second part as well. All bent. Don't know what that's from. So we'll pop that over there. Same again on the second part. We have this where wires would have fit in there. And obviously a nice little brass screw right there. That's quite cool. I think I might turn that into something. Don't know what yet. But I can see a Union Jack happening on there somehow. And possibly there. What do you reckon? Yeah, I think we'll do something with that. This was on our last throw. This big prong thing. I ain't got a clue where these things live. Hence why they probably ended up in the canal. What else have we got? Oh, these bits here. So these look like rollers that you get on some sort of conveyor system or in a machine. There's like a bigger version. That's rubber, that's metal. And then here you have like a big bit that probably sits like that and got another one on the end. So you've got different versions there. If anyone collects anything like these or knows what they are, please let me know. Let's tip you down a bit now. Going on to the cog system now. Start with the smallest ones. You know, there was that much machinery around canal sides that, oh, this is bound to be part of it. There we go. I do like the cogs, that's why I bring them as well, to show you. That obviously something gets tightened in there, doesn't it? Interesting. I'll put them over there instead of reaching over all the time. And then we have this big complete one, which is probably my favourite of the day. No, actually there's something down here that's my favourite. Look at that, number 42 appeared. Nice little cog there. The others that I found have been ground down, but this seems to be in good nick, that. Obviously that needs pushing through, but I didn't want to start whacking it with a hammer. I'll keep that as a whole one. This come up, I don't know what it is, but this bit here screws off, and then you can see down it. Anybody can help me with that one? Over here we have this some sort of like, it's like a paddle, doesn't it? Or a swing arm for something. Whatever that may be. Over this side, in the first location that I revisited, where I found the gun parts, I keep finding these little vents. So I don't know if these are off ammunition boxes or something, I don't know. but they always come up with these as well. Another version of it there. Weird that. Always seems to be in that location. This big hefty solid bar. Where we're up to, I think this was off the second location, I don't know, there's that much here. This definitely was. So all this seems to be machinery bits around the second part. The one brand new part where we've not done before. And all these little bits. I'll show you. That's like a big washer. And I don't know what that's off. Or that. Twisted bit, possibly barbed wire or something to do with when they put these bits in, the brickwork, and then cement it, if you know what I mean. Brickies will know what I mean by that. And I don't know what this is, but it's falling apart. And what else have we got? This bit here, some sort of hinge thing. Like so. So we still ain't got a clue what that is. We always come across these. Pointy, bit in the middle and then thicker at the end. I always come across them. Right, let's go down, let's do this here. So I think this was up on our second part as well, so that obviously fits something there, possibly a wire or something, or a cable. And that was screwed in tightly, but different. Right, I ain't got a clue what this is. If anyone can help me. It does look like it has a bit of a nut to tighten there, but nothing on that side. It's just cut weirdly, that, isn't it? Anyway, this was in our second part. A little bash phone. Sony Ericsson. I think it's the Walkman one, that. Don't know. What else have we got? This was off my first part, the revisit. There's some little wheels off a car, and you can just see a bit of a cog system there as it would have gone round. So that's really old, that. Cool though. What else have we got? This was a circular thing that I pulled up, but when I tried to clean it up, poof, there you go, it broke. Let's go a bit further down now to these little tiny bits. We've got the top of a screw head, two little nuts, and then a thicker one there. Threaded parts. Nails for the day. 3 different lengths. This is cool, I didn't know what it was, so I thought I'd have a nosy at it. And as you can see, it's got a number 8. It's like a little stamp of an 8. It's cool that though, isn't it? Different, don't know what it's off. Right, money situation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. 6p for free money. Part of a spinner. It's got a number 3 on it. It says deluxe quality. Budweiser cap, Duracell battery. I ain't got a clue what this shape is, so this is getting soaked, as well as all these bits here that I've pulled up, because I ain't got a clue what's in them. That's one on the floor now, but they are solid, so then we'll get soaked at some point. What else we got? This here, this metallic, I ain't got a clue what that is. I ain't got a clue. Thought it was a battery at first, but it's like it's snapped off something. It could be a press stud, but why would it open there? Do you get what I mean? So I ain't got a clue about that. These random bits of curved pieces, these will get soaked. Well, that won't, that's just a curved bar, but I'm going to soak that. This here, little brass knob on it. I don't know what that could be off. It could be off a drawer, it could be off a lid for something. I don't know. Got no markings on it though. What else have we got? A key. And over this side here we have this part that I think's off a wheelchair. The blue part of something, again, we have found that before. There's a little wire there. And then we've got this here. I'm just going to undo it to actually see what it says, because we haven't undone it yet. Right, let's have a nosy. It says freight, CHC freight, Acme Group, and then it's got a seal number, so it's a seal for a truck or seal of some sort. Cool. Right, my two favourite ones of the day are there. These were at the first location, revisited. So when I said I didn't know what things were, I obviously don't, but when I tidy them up, that is a load of stamps. So that there is out of something, possibly off a meter of some sort, don't know. Check this one out. I ain't got a clue what this is, but it's got teeny tiny little springs and it moves. All these move. Well, they should do once they're cleaned up. Look at that. So I think them two lift together somehow. Don't know. Oh, it's cool, isn't it? Off some sort of machinery, that. Love it. Just don't know what you're going to find. Right, over here is we found this on the spare ground, so I thought I'd bring it on for the scrap. Plug. That there, empty, but something's been nicked on it. CD case with nothing in it, apart from a few eggs. So that'll just go in the bin. And then obviously I thought all this here was a case for drills, but it's just a first aid kit that's empty, so we'll use that somehow, repurpose that, put some magnets in it, whatever we want to do with it. So there we go, ladies and gents. It just goes to prove that if you go back to locations, you do find other stuff, and if you go to brand new locations, you know that you're the first there with the amount of stuff that comes up straight away. So thank you for coming on the journey, and I'll keep you up to date with a few things if I can. And I'm just going to show you something right in the back. These things here, that I've soaked, like I said. You know, I probably started off with something like that, and I've soaked it and cleaned. One of them's come up, let me zoom out a bit. One of them's come up like that, like it was some sort of belt buckle. And then one of them, the other parts come up like that, like it's the bottom of a, I'd say the bottom of a dagger or something, with it being curved. I don't know. But it just goes to show that clean up and crack open and soak these rocks, because you don't know what's in them. Obviously there's metal because you've picked them up. So there you go. I've got others to do over this side. So there you go, you beauts. So thank you for coming on this journey. It's a bit long-winded, but obviously I want to show you everything, because that's how I do magnet fishing. I do the finds and then I show you at the end what I've got. And I'll never stop doing that because it's my little thing, that. So take care everyone, we'll see you on the next little treat hunt. Right, you beauts, so if you like what you see with the magnets accessories, all you need to do is head over to www.magnetstore.co.uk, click on fishing magnets, and you've got a vast amount of magnets to choose from, professional kits or accessories, so pick which one you like, add to cart, go to the checkout, enter my code Patriot10, click apply coupon, and then what you'll see, you beauts, is you'll have a 10% discount knocked off your order.